there, my name is Veronica, and this is my mini-series about my journey to Vietnam. Today, before we go any further, I would like to wish a very happy, successful, amazing, exciting new year to all of my viewers. I really hope you will achieve all your goals in 2016. In today's video, I would like to take you to Hoi An, which is a beautiful, beautiful ancient town. I really hope you will enjoy it as much as I did. And with that being said, let's get started, shall we? Today we are going to visit the old quarter.
Hoi An. You say it. Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Snow quarter. Like 30 kilometers away from here. It's gonna be a long ride again, around 40 minutes. But today it's cool. It's not too sunny.
Arrived to our destination, but unfortunately it's raining, so probably we will try to get a raincoat somewhere.
Hoi An City rose to be powerful and an exclusive trade conduit between China, Japan, India and Europe, of course, though they also found traded ceramics in Sinai, Egypt, which is pretty awesome, I think. Thanks to the importance for exchanging goods, the town developed well. After the collapse of the Nguyen rule, though, in the 18th century, the focus from the trading business shifted from Hoi An to Da Nang. Therefore, Hoi An was left untouched by the changes of Vietnam in the next 200 years.
We have made it to the ancient town. We have our little tour guide here. We will try to read the map as accurate as possible and find most of the places to visit them.
We always spend an afternoon there, and since I love Asian architecture, we decided to buy the Hoi An Entrance tickets to enter temples, museums and even a traditional family house. We got, I think, 5 tickets and also a map listing all the landmarks. And although there were many options, it was free of our choice which one we wanted to enter with our tickets. So we went for a museum, a couple of temples and, as I mentioned before, a family house.
Our first destination is the Phu Quien Assembly Hall. It's beautiful. Let's go.
I think.
Yeah. And
someone put this before us.
yeah, this wasn't us. Duke An's place is closed, but you can have a little peek inside. Not much to see.
We have a cool window, the very old-fashioned, old-school one, where you gotta take the. You can see that each side of the panel is connected to a. What do you call that?
I don't know, like we'll subtitle it.
A small And every time you want to close or open it, you gotta unload those each panels, loops out or in. I have the same. My grandma, she had the same type of window.
It's not easy to get lighting in the morning, I
It's
guess.
fun, just
And this is how communal house looks like from inside. How beautiful that is. We have arrived to the Japanese covered bridge. So good.
beautifully covered. Watch your step.
It smells nice. And of course inside of the bridge you can pray again. Hong Kong. Let's go into his temple. And our last station is the Hoi An Museum, History and Culture.
If you decide to go to the museum, I think you should get a tour guide because there are just so many information written down, you don't have time to read all of it, and he or she can tell you a lot of very interesting stories about the exhibited objects, and I definitely enjoyed it. We didn't rent ourselves, but we were lucky because there was just a group before us, so we listened to the guy and it was pretty awesome.
The burial is the body, the history. They used more than 2,000 years ago into 1,600 years ago. Yes. How the making, how the burial of the body inside. Is nowadays nobody know. Outside Hoi An, about 100 kilometers, they have a beach cemetery and 1,000 tombs. But nowadays we don't understand how the funeral. Yes, we didn't know.
There is a proof that Vietnamese used to use coins.
Because we used to be under control of China.
Yeah. Now they only use paper money.
In 1999, the old town was declared World Heritage Site by UNESCO, with buildings that display a unique blend of local and foreign influence. Thanks to tourism, the town is well visited by curious foreigners like myself. Since the weather wasn't that nice, and we also spent a lot of time with checking out these landmarks, even praying at the temples, all we did after is just we went to the market and we had delicious noodles. I think we shared like 3 portions between us, and it's super cheap as well, so you should definitely eat there if you have a chance.
There is so many things to buy for tourists.
Go like this. I think it's made of something. Coconut? Yeah, it's made of coconut.
Wow.
Touch that.
Yeah.
The shape, yeah. And then you just kind of make texture inside. You know.
Market is huge and I think you can pretty much find anything you need. This is how inside of the market it looks like. I guess it's different from Budapest vásárcsarna. Fast food here is something different than in Europe.
It's healthy.
It's healthy, it's home cooked. So we chose to eat
Other people, as I've seen, rented bicycles, motorbikes. You can even rent kayaks and motorboats to go around the area and explore yourself. So if you have time and the weather is nice, you should go for it, I think. And that's it pretty much. I really hope you found this video somehow useful if you're planning a trip to Hoi An, or just liked it in general. In that case, like it, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my previous videos if you're interested in my channel. Thank you so much for your patience and time today. I will see you next Monday, and until then, stay tuned from Hungary. That's it.